What is content marketing? Content marketing is a marketing strategy that involves creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage a specific target audience. The ultimate goal of content marketing is to drive profitable customer action, such as increased brand awareness, lead generation, and customer loyalty. The content created for content marketing can take various forms, such as blog posts, videos, podcasts, social media posts, infographics, ebooks, white papers, webinars, and more. The key is to create content that provides value to the target audience and helps solve their problems or address their needs. By consistently delivering high-quality content, businesses can establish themselves as thought leaders in their industry and build a strong relationship with their audience. This, in turn, can lead to increased brand awareness, customer loyalty, and ultimately, increased revenue. Content marketing tips and TRICS method. Here are some tips and tricks for effective content marketing. Define your target audience. Before creating any content, it's essential to understand who your target audience is, what their pain points are, and what kind of content they prefer. Develop a content strategy. A content strategy helps you plan and organize your content creation efforts. It includes identifying the types of content you'll create, the topics you'll cover, the channels you'll use, and the metrics you'll track. Create valuable content. Your content should be informative, educational, and entertaining. It should address your audience's pain points and provide solutions to their problems. Optimize your content for search engines. Use relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and tags to ensure your content appears in search results. Promote your content. Use social media, email marketing, and other channels to promote your content and reach a wider audience. Measure your results. Track your content's performance using metrics such as page views, shares, engagement rates, and conversions. Use this data to improve your content and your content marketing strategy. Be consistent. Consistency is key to building a strong content marketing program. Create a content calendar and stick to it, publishing new content on a regular basis. Use multimedia. Use a mix of text, images, videos, and other media to create engaging and interactive content. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers in your industry to reach new audiences and increase your brand's credibility. Monitor trends. Stay up to date with the latest trends in your industry and adjust your content strategy accordingly to stay relevant and engaging. How to earn with content marketing. Content marketing can help you earn money in several ways. Here are some of them. Increase website traffic. By creating high-quality content that targets specific keywords and topics, you can increase your website's organic search traffic. This can lead to more page views, ad revenue, and sales. Affiliate marketing. You can include affiliate links in your content that lead to products or services related to your niche. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Sponsored content. You can work with brands to create sponsored content, such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts. Brands pay you to create content that promotes their products or services. Sell digital products. You can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, or webinars that provide value to your audience. Consulting or coaching. If you're an expert in your niche, you can offer consulting or coaching services to your audience. You can create content that establishes your credibility and expertise, and use that to attract clients. Advertising revenue. If you have a popular blog or website, you can earn money through advertising revenue. You can display ads on your site and earn money every time someone clicks on them. Ultimately, the key to earning money with content marketing is to provide value to your audience and build a loyal following. As your audience grows, so do your opportunities to earn money through various content marketing strategies. Best and easy way of content marketing. Here are some of the best and easy ways to get started with content marketing. Blogging. Creating a blog is an excellent way to provide valuable content to your audience. You can write blog posts on various topics related to your niche, share your knowledge, and establish yourself as an expert. Social media. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram can be used to share your content with a wider audience. You can use social media to promote your blog posts, videos, and other content. Video marketing. Video marketing is becoming increasingly popular. You can create short videos that provide value to your audience and share them on YouTube, social media, or your website. Email marketing. Email marketing is an effective way to reach your audience directly. You can send out newsletters, updates, and promotions to your email list. Infographics. Infographics are visual representations of data or information. They are easy to read and share on social media, and they can help you attract new followers. Podcasting. Podcasts are a great way to provide in-depth discussions on various topics related to your niche. You can interview experts, share your knowledge, and build a loyal following. E-books and white papers. E-books and white papers are longer-form content pieces that provide more in-depth information than a blog post. They are excellent for generating leads and establishing your authority. Remember, the key to successful content marketing is to provide valuable content to your audience consistently. Choose the content types that work best for your business and your target audience, and focus on creating quality content that meets their needs.